My favorite part of my injection training with a hands-on training, it's a safe space, it's a learning space where there are no questions that are off limits. With my injection training, one of my favorite parts is actually building the community. Whether you are a new grad, just hired into a new job, new grad nurse practitioner, or you are a seasoned medical provider with many years experience, not only are you going to learn the skill set technique at the hands-on training, it's the community and the bond and the friendships that form, and these are ongoing. That mentorship after the class, that is key. I've been in communication for years with many of these medical providers that trained years ago, and we still stay in contact. We still have communication on patients. And so just knowing that we've got each other's back, we are a community, and not only are we continuing the communication and the mentorship after class, it's years down the road and staying connected with experts. This is an ever-changing environment, and so being able to share that knowledge, share the experts, that's what creates a community. If this sparked your interest, but you would like more information, contact us. We will be happy to help.